have developed a iBlink sensor having IR transmitter and an IR receiver. The IR transmitter continuously emits light. When the patient blinks his eyes, the IR gets reflected from the surface of eyelid and the IR receiver receives it. We have chosen sunglasses to prevent other light falling into the IR receiver. The sensor is connected to the iBlink detecting circuit that is powered by NA-USB 6009 DAC device. The circuit consists of LM324 comparator IC. The non-inverting terminal is given to a constant voltage from a 10 kΩ potentiometer. The signal from the sensor is fed to the inverting terminal of the comparator. The comparator compares the voltage value and gives a digital output which is fed to the physical channel CTR0 of DAC for counting the number of eye blinks. Moreover, a LED glows when the patient blinks his eyes for visual feedback. We have developed the software of the system which contains two modes for communication. The first mode is using tab controls, where we have stored some important phrases that meets the basic needs of the patients. The advantage of this mode is that the patient can express their needs in a fewer set of eye blinks. Various tabs have been developed: main menu, medical assistance, food phrases, common phrases, media control. Now we can go into the block diagram of the front panel. The DAC assistance is configured to obtain counter input, which is used to select the cases in the case structure. After a tab has been selected, the options available in the tab are selected by the next set of eye blinks, which is compared with a predefined constant, and if it is true, the respective string is sent to the concatenate string VI, which displays the output in the front panel indicator. The user can also return to the main menu using a feedback node. The text displayed is converted to a voice output using text-to-speech converter VI. Second mode is alphabet selection, where the alphabets A to Z and space character are divided into 3 blocks, each containing 3 rows and 3 columns. The block 1 contains the character A to I, the block 2 contains the characters J to R, and the block 3 contains the characters S to Z and a space character. This mode is essential if the patient wants to say phrases which is not in the tab control. If the user selects the block 1 by producing a single eye blink, the selection of a block is accompanied by a lighting the character in the block for a small time interval. After the first selection, the user can select one of the 3 columns in each block by producing the next set of eye blinks. The first, second and third column can be selected by 1, 2 and 3 eye blinks respectively. After the selection of a particular column, a particular character in that column can be selected using the next set of eye blinks. Every column has 3 characters. The first, second and third character can be selected using 1, 2 and 3 eye blinks respectively. After selecting a character, the entire process continues again to select the next character and so on. Now we can go for the block diagram. Case structures were used for the selection of blocks. A predefined Boolean array constant is used as a control for glowing the character with respect to the eye blink.
Now we will see the demo of our system. Since we have given a text-to-speech conversion, there will be a short introduction about the system. Now I am going to run my VI.
Welcome to LabVIEW. Communicate with us. Blink once for medical assistance. Blink twice for food phrases. Blink thrice for common phrases. Blink 4 times for media control.
He is my team member Arun Kumar. He will now select the medical assistance tab by blinking appropriately. The medical assistance tab has been selected.
Bathroom.
And now we have selected bathroom.
Feeling pain.
He has selected feeling pain.
Need doctor.
He has selected that he needs a doctor.
I have said wrong
If
phrase.
he had said the wrong phrase, he can exhibit the wrong phrase. Now he has returned to the main menu by blinking more than 6 times. Now my friend wants to select the food phrases tab. He will blink appropriately to select the food phrases tab. The food phrases tab has been selected.
Need water.
Now he has blinked that he needs water.
Need water. Need juice.
Now he had blinked to select he needs juice.
Need snacks. Need food.
He has returned to the main menu by blinking appropriately. Now my friend will select the common phrases tab by blinking appropriately. He has blinked his eyes thrice and the common phrases tab has been selected. Now he has blinked his eyes 4
I am
times
fine.
and he has selected that I am fine.
I am fine. How are you?
He has selected how are you.
How are you? I am sleepy.
He has selected I am sleepy.
I am sleepy. How is my health?
He has selected how is my health.
How is my health?
Now he is returned to the main menu. Now my friend will be selecting the media control tab. He has blinked his eyes 4 times and he has selected the media control tab. Next he has blinked his eyes to select the films.
Films.
Now he has blinked his eyes for nearly 10 times and now he has returned to the main menu. In a similar manner, extra phrases can be added for the user's comfort. Now my friend will select the characters depending upon his wish. He wishes to select A and he has blinked his eyes 3 times. A has been selected, which has a black indication.